Hi, everybody. Welcome. It is day 21 of Treasure Trovember. I am so happy you are here. This is we've completed 3 weeks, so not much longer. We still have some prompts to go. If you're just finding me today, I'm Kelly with Collage-Lab, and this is the Trovember Challenge. You can go back to day 1 and watch the welcome video and see what this is all about. It's a really easy challenge, and you can catch up quickly. If you register, you'll get a free download with some tips and tricks. And so, day 21, the prompt is to add a beverage. Add a beverage to your collage, any kind, any whatever you find. And we'll see you back here again tomorrow. Thank you.